Are there alternative options for dental implants? Dental implants are now an option that is popular with those who want to restore damaged teeth and create a beautiful smile. They may, however, not be the right choice for every person. In this clip, we'll explore different options for dental implants as well as review their advantages and disadvantages. 1. Dental bridges. Dental bridges are often an alternative for dental implants. They comprise the use of artificial teeth, which are fixed by the surrounding teeth for supports. Dental bridges may be less invasive as implants, they cannot last as long, and could cause injury to supporting teeth as time passes. 2. Dentures. Dentures are another option for dental implants. They're removable and substitute missing teeth and may be taken out easily to be cleaned. Dentures may be less expensive alternative to implants, they don't seem as natural and may make you uncomfortable wearing them. 3. Dental crowns. Dental crowns can be a second option in place of dental implants for people who are missing a single tooth. They are custom-designed caps that sit over the missing tooth in order to improve its appearance in size and function. While they can be cheaper than implants, they will not be as sturdy and might have to be replaced in the course of time. 4. Mini dental implants. Mini dental implants are a less invasive version of traditional implants. They are usually employed for patients who don't have the bone density to warrant an entire implant. Mini implants may be cheaper and less invasive as traditional implants. They can't be as durable and could not be appropriate for everyone. 5. All-on-4 implants. The all-on-4 implant is a kind of dental implant treatment that utilizes 4 implants that support an entire tooth arch. This procedure may offer the most durable solution than traditional dentures, however, it may be more costly and not be appropriate for everyone. There are many options for dental implants which may work better for certain patients. You should consult with a dental professional to decide which one is the most suitable for you and your personal needs as well as budget. Dental implants may be the most popular option for replacing teeth, but they are not the best option for everyone. When you explore other choices, you'll be able to discover an option that is best for your needs and smile.